What's up, YouTubers? Hope everyone had a nice Christmas break and a happy New Year. Hope everyone made some good New Year's resolutions and we're all ready to make some money this year in 2021. This video, I got 3 hot stocks for you, so be sure to watch this video to the end to get your 4 free stocks from Webull and 2 free stocks from Robinhood. Before I begin with my top 3 picks, I just want to say when it comes to picking your stocks, it's really about picking your own strategy. It's kind of like a game of chess, which, by the way, if anyone watched The Queen of Gambits on Netflix, that series killed it. I love chess. So, any players, bring it on. Anyways, back to stocks. You obviously want to do your research on each stock before you choose what to invest in. It can also be a personal thing between you and that company, if you believe in the company and if you think it has large growth opportunities in the future. I personally like to pick short-term and long-term stocks and also swing trade quite a bit. Choose the strategy that works for you and that you're comfortable with. Long-term, obviously, you gotta be patient and ride it out on those red days. And with short-term, you just gotta be on top of your game and be watching stock daily and monitor any bad or good news that might trigger the stock to dip or rise. Swing trading calls and options takes a little bit more skill, but I'll be teaching this all in my future videos. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. My channel is for pure entertainment, so please consult with your broker before making any investments. You also want to diversify your portfolio so it's balanced, and if one of the sectors is down, others will be up to balance your portfolio. For example, EV stocks, home improvement, and food deliveries, they're killing it. Some due to COVID-19, while the traveling industry, entertainment, and retail are struggling to survive. So be sure to pick stocks from each 11 sectors, which includes energy, materials, industrials, consumer discretionary, consumer staples, healthcare, financials, information technology, telecommunication services, utilities, and real estate. Alright, let's get started on my top 3 stocks to buy now. My first stock of the new year is gonna have to be NIO, ticker symbol NIO. NIO has been my top stock of the year and has big things coming up. NIO is like the Chinese Tesla is how I see it. A major catalyst for NIO stock is coming up. The company's 4th annual NIO Day is scheduled for January 9th and should yield several big announcements. Analysts expect NIO to expand its lineup of electric cars, including its first sedan models. In addition, an even larger 150 kilowatt per hour battery could debut at NIO Day, and an update on the NP2 vehicle platform is expected, with hopes for a more advanced autonomous driving technology. Through most of 2020, shares rocketed as the Chinese EV market rebounded. NIO more than doubled electric SUV deliveries for the first 11 months of this year. In an interview cited by Barron's CEO William Li, said NIO should reach annual production capacity of 150,000 units by the end of 2021. Longer term, NIO aims to double output to 300,000 per year. In 2020, NIO launched Battery as a Service, a subscription plan for batteries. Essentially, the car and the battery are sold separately. Users can buy electric cars without batteries for a lower price and swap out batteries for a monthly fee depending on the needs of the vehicle they're driving at the time. My second top stock has to be Switchback Energy, ticker symbol SBE. Switchback is a SPAC that is acquiring ChargePoint, which could over time avail itself to be one of the more viable ideas in the EV investment realm. The reasoning here is simple. ChargePoint won't be butting heads with manufacturers. It won't be making electric vehicles at all. Rather, ChargePoint is an infrastructure play, and a pertinent one at that. The California-based company operates the largest network of EV charging stations, 115,000 to be precise. Think of ChargePoint as a gas station company for a new breed of automobiles. The benefit with that status is that, unlike so many EV SPACs, ChargePoint doesn't carry the risks associated with a typical pre-revenue company. One way of looking at ChargePoint SBE stock is that the former addresses one of the primary concerns associated with EV ownership, is the range. Battery technology is evolving and EV manufacturers are prioritizing increased range. However, the manufacturers can't do all the heavy lifting themselves. Road trips are ingrained in American culture, and at some point, infrastructure must evolve to support EV adoption. Enter ChargePoint. It's estimated that by 2025, more than 7 million EV charging ports will be needed, but nearly 5 million will be available. ChargePoint is expected to operate roughly half those ports in 2025. ChargePoint's revenue growth forecasts reflect the opportunity in the charging infrastructure market. Solidifying its status as a dominant player in this segment, the company estimates revenue will increase at a compound annual growth rate of 60% from 2021 through 2026. Last year, EV sales accounted for 2.6% of global auto sales and just 1% of global auto stock. According to the International Energy Agency, those are small percentages, but the numbers also imply ample room for growth and the need for more charging ports. As technological progress in electrification of two- and three-wheelers, buses and trucks and advances, and the market for them grows, electric vehicles are expanding significantly, the IEA said. Data confirm that the accessible charges growth is stout, indicating the speculative nature of many SPACs isn't primary concern with SPE stock. Bottom line, the automobile and fossil fuels industries are being disrupted, and with that disruption comes compelling opportunity for investors. ChargePoint is one such opportunity, and its importance in the EV ecosystems could prove alluring over the long term. It's a growth name to be sure, but in this arena, ChargePoint is a staple, not discretionary, removing vulnerabilities, auto sales, and economic data. We're now finally to my top third stock to buy now. If you like this video so far, please hit the like and subscribe button. So my third top stock would be Tattooed Chef, ticker symbol TTCF. Tattooed Chef is a leading plant-based food company offering a broad portfolio of innovative and sustainably sourced plant-based foods. Tattooed Chef's signature products include ready-to-cook bowls, zucchini spirals, rice cauliflower, acai and smoothie bowls, and cauliflower pizza crusts, which are available in the frozen food sections of leading national retail food stores across the United States. Understanding consumer lifestyle and food trends, a commitment to innovation and self-manufacturing allows Tattooed Chef to continuously introduce new products. Tattooed Chef provides approachable, great-tasting, and chef-created products to the growing group of plant-based consumers, as well as the mainstream marketplace. Tailwinds are firmly behind the plant-based food industry, and investors are gobbling up shares of the leading players fast. Tattooed Chef being one of them, which can already be found on the shelves of club stores like Walmart and Sam's Club, and is poised for big gains by ushering in the trend of farm-to-table for the masses. The company sells organic, non-GMO, plant-based food while it also plants, manufactures, and produces all of its products. Tattooed Chef is planning a big marketing push in 2021 into more big retailers like Target, as eat-at-home trends look set to continue for the foreseeable future. It is also highly innovative. The cauliflower mac and cheese at Sam's Club is just amazing, and also won an award for the best new product. It's something that retailers are really screaming for. The company went public earlier this year through a SPAC called Forum Merger 2 Corp. and was previously called Itella. The Tattooed Chef was founded by CEO Sam Galletti, who has 35 years of experience in the food industry. Mr. Galletti hired his daughter Sarah as the company's creative officer. Mrs. Galletti, the Tattooed Chef herself, is a foodie and a chef who honed her skills in Italy. I love stories like that, just to be honest. There are my top 3 stocks to buy now, but once again, please do your own research and do your homework by checking their balance sheets and financials. I own all 3 of these stocks and they have been doing quite well. And don't forget to get your 4 free stocks with Webull when you deposit $100. You could possibly get a Google stock for $1,700, not bad. And 2 free stocks from Robinhood by clicking the links below in my description box. Be sure to watch my other video, Top 10 Investment Apps for 2021, to choose your platform and start investing today. My motivational quote of the day is live to laugh and laugh while living. Laughter always brings good energy. Let's meditate on good health and being healthier. Try some of Tattoo Chef's products. They're very good and it's a great stock. I'm James Kwong. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like and subscribe. I'm on my way to 1,000 subscribers and I'll see you in my next video.